Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. The patient with COVID-19 pneumonia desaturate rapidly and need ventilator support. When these patients are put on ventilator, the prognosis is not good. One device, which is high flow nasal cannula, when used well in time, can prevent these patients from being put on ventilator. In market, this device is not easily available, and this cannula costs about 6.5 to 7 lakh Pak rupees. Department of Anesthesia, Jannah Hospital, Lahore has invented this high flow nasal cannula by using the discarded parts of ventilator. We have made it functional by incorporating a small heating plate, which you can see over here, with temperature controller. You can see the temperature display on the front side. This temperature is regulated by a smart sensor which has been incorporated inside. You can see the oxygen inlets over here, and you can give from 30 to 80 liters of oxygen by this device, which is then humidified at a set and desired temperature. And then you can see the outlet of oxygen over here, and this humidified air is then delivered to the patient via nasal cannula or wide bore nasal prongs. This device is being used in our COVID ICU with good results. Approval by ethical committee is in process. Team Anesthesia, Jannah Hospital, Lahore has invented 3 high flow nasal cannula by discarded parts of ventilator up till now, and is in process of making more inshallah by these discarded parts. I, Professor اشرف, Head of Department, is very thankful to worthy Principal Professor Dr. اشرف for his encouragement, and Dr. Ali, Associate Professor of Anesthesia, for his continuous support. I am very thankful to the team of engineers and paramedical staff for using their time and brain to make it successful. Hats off to Anesthesia team, Jannah Hospital, Lahore. May Allah protect us all from COVID-19. Ameen. Thank you very much.